God, sometimes it feels like you've forgotten me, like my prayers hit the ceiling and fall back down, like everyone else gets their miracle, while I'm still waiting, still hurting, still empty. I see people smiling, I see people moving forward, and I'm still stuck here with questions that don't have answers, with wounds that don't seem to heal, with tears that never stop. Do you still see me, Lord? Do you still hear me? Do I still matter? Your word says in Isaiah 49:15, can a mother forget her nursing child? Even if she forgets, I will not forget you. So why do I feel forgotten? Why do I feel unseen? I scroll through pictures of people smiling, but nobody knows the storm inside me. I sit in church, but sometimes I wonder if worship even reaches heaven. I encourage others, but inside I'm crumbling. God, I'm tired of waiting. I'm tired of fighting battles that never end. I'm tired of pretending I'm strong when I'm not. But even here, I choose to call on you. Because Psalm 27:10 says, though my father and mother forsake me, the Lord will receive me. So even if people walk away, you won't. So I declare by faith, I am not forgotten, I am not abandoned, I am not invisible to you, Lord. You still have a plan, you still have a purpose, you still see every tear I cry. Jeremiah 29:11 says, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. So I hold on to that promise, even when I don't feel it, even when I don't see it. I believe you are still working. God, don't forget me, don't leave me in this place. Lift me up again, restore my joy again, remind me that I still belong to you. For Psalm 12:1-12 says, I lift up my eyes to the hills. Where does my help come from? My help comes from the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. So I lift my eyes, Lord. I lift my voice. I lift my broken heart. And I declare, I am not forgotten. I am not abandoned. You are with me in the fire. You are with me in the storm, and you will never let me go. God, please, don't forget me. Amen.